No one has the time or the energy to cook every single day. Hello beautiful people. Today I am sharing a batch cooking system that has completely changed the way I handle meals. It's simple, realistic, and it has helped me stress less about food because let's be honest, life already comes with enough stress. So I am sharing this system because sharing is caring, and on this channel we always share helpful tips. And yeah, enough yapping, let's get straight into today's video. When it comes to batch cooking, don't just see it as you cooking more food. I mean, yes, you're cooking food, but you're creating a system that is going to help you. So before cooking, decide how many meals you eat at home, which meals you skip, and how many lazy days you need. This just helps to ensure that there's no food waste. And don't batch cook food you already get bored of quickly. If you hate eating the same thing 4 days in a row, freeze in small portions so you rotate. I mean, like, yes, I love chicken curry and rice, but do I enjoy eating it 5 days in a row? No! You don't need those expensive glass containers that TikTok loves to promote. I mean, they look cool, but we just want to store food. You can always use the following. So apparently food expands when frozen. Well, that explains a lot. Always label everything and check the reheating instructions. I had to learn this the hard way. Not every meal freezes well. So here is a list of the best foods to batch cook and another list for foods to be careful with. I do have a series where I share some recipes that are also perfect for batch cooking, linked down below. As I mentioned earlier, batch cooking should feel efficient, not chaotic. So my flow goes as follows. I chop everything first, I cook all proteins together, then I cook all carbs together, and lastly I assemble the casseroles. Always make sure to use the same base ingredients such as onions, garlic, carrots, spices. I'll even make a whole video on the best spices to have that will make your dishes instantly delicious. I do freeze some meals without carbs. For example, potatoes or pasta, because they can get mushy when frozen. Therefore, I just make fresh pasta or fresh rice later on. Organizing helps ensure that your freezer is not chaotic. For example, I keep the older meals in the front and the newer ones at the back. I've made a few mistakes, so learn from my mistakes. I hope you all found today's video to be helpful. Make sure to give it a like and check out the easy cooking series where I share some recipes, and make sure to subscribe for some new videos every week and some different types of videos every week because we don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.